Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a record in your HostGator hosting. So it's pretty simple to do. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment if this helped you. And now to do this, you're going to choose domains right here. And you're going to choose a domain which you want to add a record to. Now when you choose your domain, you're going to click DNS name servers. And you can see here, there are many types of records here, and you can manage your DNS records right here. As you can see, you can add your records right here. So we need to add a. So for example, if I'm using Shopify, you want to add your a record and to put this one right here. So I'm just going to go back. So we just copy that information. After that, you're just gonna choose a type, so it's the same. You can add a name if you want to, and where it points to. The TTL can be left default, and you click Add Record. And after that, confirm, and your DNS record was created successfully, as you can see. So yeah, guys, that's basically it. And if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.